it right here. Yeah, this is an empty box. It literally says empty wood, right? So I wanted like a really cool, not white marble, but just like something else, right? But none of the ones that I wanted were in stock, and none of them were like exactly what I wanted, right? And they're like super baggy. I like love the fit of these. I did not tailor these at all. I can't remember the size I'm wearing. I think it's a 26 or a 27, one of those. Again, no just wearing my YSL, like gold toe. So cute. Gotta go. I think they're sealed though. Yeah, they are. Okay. Well, they'll know that it's not used because it's sealed.
Oh yeah, and we got some new nails. I went and got my nails redone, and I'm actually obsessed with this color. This is Red Ferrari, so this is perfect for the holidays, girl. I didn't get them redone, I just got them reshaped and a different color. So yeah.
Skin is all about stain on my shirt, new bitch on my nerves. Oh, nigga got curved, going back on my word. Been bitches and thirsty, still don't love my words. Still stressing perfection, let you all in my mental. Got me looking too desperate, damn. Wait, sunshine, I found a way to fuck it up. Still can't cry about the shit that I can change. This my mind, gotta get out of here. Tough crowd, haters, can't stay. In the dark right now, feeling lost but I like it. Comfort in my sins, not about me. All I got right now, feeling tears of resentment. Shimmer in my skin, it's all about the stain on my shirt, new bitch on my nerves. Oh, nigga got curved, going back on my word. Been bitches and thirsty, still don't love my words. Still stressing perfection, let you all in my mental. Got me looking too desperate, damn. Is it what you say and how you know me?
Gives you points. Saving it gives you copy links, and then commenting YP, coming in my room, making it yourself seen, working the comments. As soon as you hit, he'll do long work, but the building, okay, he'll kill the snakes. He will go under and fix whatever under the house, because apparently you have to go under the house for the heater work. Thanks for the reminder. Thanks. I don't need a singular house that I have to go up under.
Y'all, we're about to go to get Nasia some McDonald's. She's home from school because she had a sore throat and a runny nose, but yet she wants some McDonald's. So we better go get some McDonald's real quick. I had to use a damn Starbucks straw because they didn't give us a straw. Anyways, you guys, so we got some packages. I think it's just my charger block and my Caudalie spray.
Muscle connection. For the best of big, it's the best of small. You get it all.
So again, you got some issues. Now, here and ran the whole gamut. Anybody who will let you click on their link, you up there clicking on their link. and then you want to come up here and talk about this, and the third. But yet you want to sit up here and lie talking about somebody's ass. Except when you had to see that old nasty piece of care package, and then you got this is. And I want y'all to catch this. Let me tell you how crazy this is. Toilet tissue. Now Nika helped him out. Now Nika did something for me. He didn't even know nothing about it. But his paranoid ass took it that Nika was shading him with eggs and raise your voice with Ron. And I believe that Ron like you.
Just felt favored that you guys. I don't want to go to this.
Not me getting the sniffles now. So y'all, we just gonna end the vlog here because last night we ate Popeyes. I know this ladybug is not dead. This ladybug has not moved in days. I think she did. R.I.P. ladybug. But we ate Popeyes last night. I didn't bother to film it because I was so mentally drained last night that I just sat in the dark in my room and ate it. Well, I had my little Christmas lights up, whatever, but girl, Naja's sick. I had to go pick her up from school. So we just made a little, not even stewed chicken. I don't know. I made some chicken, put some water in it, I made some. And now my head hurt. Like, no, my head been hurting all day. I ain't even gonna lie. I slept like shit last night. My head is hurting. I feel like I'm starting to I don't even wanna, but, are y'all clocking what's going on TikTok? It's a lot going on. It's a lot going on. But yeah, we're gonna end the vlog here and I will talk to y'all when I talk to y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe, girl. And I will see you later. Bye.